One down. One to go. Hopefully this one goes just like the other one did. Probably not. Fill her up. She glowing. Fuck. Oopsie. Sorry, Nick. I kind of bug it. Whoa, that's poisonous. Well, shouldn't have said nothing. I should have maybe waited for it to cool off. That smells better than the tailgate did, though. Next. Okay, so hitting her with the impact while she was hot, not the greatest idea. Well, let's see what happens. I'm running out of studs to work with. We'll, you know, for good measure, we'll go whoosh. We're going in. Let's let that one cool off a bit, because I frickin' cooked it! Maybe if I spit on it. Probably didn't help. Kinda just gross. We'll see what happens. You know, I'll turn it up a bit if not. I could also hit this with the torch, but like it's hot. But the bolt's hot, so the bolt's swollen in there. But normally when you heat stuff, you're actually just breaking it free by having it expand and contract. Now, it wouldn't hurt to heat this up before I go destroying it.